In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a map widget to the dashboard of MARACOOS OceansMap. So first, I need to go into this Add Widgets tool and scroll down to the Map option. If we select this, we now have this editor pop up here with our preview section. The user can choose to show or hide the legend. So now we can select what layers we want to see on the map. So we can use the search feature to find Atlantic wave height. So the list of layers will show here. So the user can select the settings of the layer. So let's say if we want to lower the opacity, we can do that, or we can customize the layer settings however we wish. We can zoom to that layer on the map or use the I button to give information on that layer or delete the layer. They can add multiple layers, but for this example, let's just use this one. So the user can select a different base map. So we can use our imagery base map, and let's turn coastlines on, but let's leave the maritime and the globe view settings off. Down here, we have our map time and range. So by default, it's set to 48 hours in the past until right now. The user can also specify the date and time using this tab here. For this example, let's just use between 48 hours in the past until right now. And then the user can also select the point in time of this range at which they want the data to show. So let's select 24 hours in the past, so the wave height at this exact time yesterday. And the user can also set a title. So let's just call that map. And if we add that widget, you can see that we now have this map widget showing in the dashboard view. The user can open the legend or close it here. The user can delete the widget or edit the widget or scale the widget with these buttons here. Or if they'd like to lock the dashboard, they can do so up there.